What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because obviously I look a little different and we are doing a super fun, exciting video today where we are gonna do a little festival makeup. I almost said makeup tutorial. I am so used to doing makeup tutorials for you guys, but today we're switching it up and we are doing a hair tutorial. And I'm gonna show you guys how to get this super cute and easy festival hair look and show you how to do these adorable little peekaboo colored highlights without actually damaging your hair, which I'm obsessed with. I actually am kind of in love with the silver that I did on my roots. I'm like, should I spray that all over my hair and see what I would look like? But yeah, if you guys wanna see how I got this cute little rainbow haired festival look, and then just keep on watching. All right, you guys, so to start, I am just starting with fresh, dry, clean hair. This is just how my hair air dries overnight. If you naturally have curly hair, you can definitely leave it curly. If you naturally have straight, you can leave it straight. I'm just leaving my natural, which is straight. And I do already have a center part going on. That's my natural part, but you're gonna wanna part your hair right in the center if you haven't already. And then I have two hair ties. I just have little blonde ones that match the color of my hair so that you can't really see them. So I would suggest just getting little hair ties that match the color of your hair to do this so it kind of looks seamless. But I'm basically just gonna go like this with my finger on the one side and get a section. It's really not that much hair, but I'm gonna go all the way back. This is all the hair I'm getting, so it's honestly really not that much, but I'm just gonna pull that back tightly. Make sure this is flat, and we're gonna secure it with the hair tie. Like so. I actually really like doing my hair like this because it kind of gives like the illusion of volume in your hair, so I don't mind it. Then I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. All right, so now that we have our actual hairstyle done, which is super easy, that took what, 30 seconds, we're gonna go in with the actual colors. And this is what's really gonna make the look and make it cute and different. So for the color, I'm gonna be using the Hush Prism Airbrush Spray. You guys can get this at Sephora. This is awesome because it's literally just like a colored hairspray, so it's gonna make your hair look bomb for a day. You don't have to commit to actually dyeing your hair. It's gonna come out when you wash your hair, which is perfect for people like me who wanna do something cool, but we don't wanna actually like have to go through all the damage and everything to our hair to actually dye it these crazy and beautiful colors. And there's actually 7 different colors of this. I have all of them in front of me right here, so I'm gonna swatch all of them in my hair and use them all to do kind of the rainbow hair look that I'm gonna do, so you guys will get to see them all in action. And there may even be a little giveaway down in the description box where one of you can win all 7 of these colors, so I don't know, check down below. So I'm gonna start with pink. Pink is my favorite color. This is Malibu Pink. So I'm just gonna grab a section of my hair. This looks good. Now it says to hold this 7 to 10 inches away. I'm not that good at measurement, but we're gonna try it. How pretty. Oh my God, obsessed. That is such a pretty color, oh my Lord. So there we have Malibu Pink, and then I'm gonna just let it down, but it actually doesn't like feel like sticky or anything, which is actually really nice. Up next we have a pretty purple. This one is Amethyst Haze, so I'm gonna do it on this side. What I love about these is they allow you to really create like that super funky look, but again, it's very low commitment, which is perfect for me. Ooh, the purple is pretty. Oh my God, wow. I like the purple a lot, actually. Next, we're gonna do yellow. I don't know how well this one's gonna show up on my hair since it is blonde, but we're gonna see. This is Lemon Drop. I'm trying to grab sections of hair that are like the same width all around, so like the pieces that are colored are like the same, but it's kind of difficult to get it exactly right, but there's no rhyme or reason to it. Ooh, okay, so it does show up. There we have yellow. Up next we have red. This is Antique Red. Can you guys believe that my natural hair color is red? I never have worn my hair red in a very long time, but now I have a little glimpse of what it used to be like. Up next we have Teal Breeze. And I think for this shade, I'm gonna do my little pony. I'm gonna make my little pony teal. I have layers, so it can be a little hard, but we'll spritz it down a little bit. There we go. Like, how cool does that look? I am like obsessed. It's like subtle, so it's not like whoa, but it's like so pretty. I like love it. It's like rainbow hair. Then we have Blue Moon, and I'll do my other little piggy tail thing on this side. This is like a deeper, darker blue. There we have Blue Moon. On this side, we have like the deeper, darker shades, and then on this side, we have like the more pastel-y shades. I feel like I like the pastel-y shades better as a whole, but the deeper, darker shades are kind of edgy and cool too. And then last but not least, we have Tin Woman. This is like a silver, so I'm actually gonna do this like up here, like at my root. Ooh, this one actually looks really cool. I wanna try this like on my whole head because I kind of want hair that's like that color. It looks so cool. Maybe I'll do it on my whole head one day and like see what it looks like before I commit to dyeing it. So yeah, you guys, that is my super easy festival hair tutorial and how you guys can get these pretty kind of peekaboo colored highlights without actually damaging your hair. I'm obsessed. Like I said, I feel like I like the pastels better. But let me know down below, what is your vote? Do you guys like the deeper, darker colors? Do you like the pastels? You could obviously just do like one color all over your hair or do all of them like I did to kind of do the rainbow hair look. Let me know what you guys think down below, but I really like it and it was honestly so easy. And like I said, check down below in the description box for a giveaway that is gonna end on April 30th. So definitely go and enter now. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.